Have you ever bought something that you used over and over again for years, for ages, and for some reason it refused to finish? That's exactly what this my foundation is doing. I've had it for quite a while, for years. I think this is like the first foundation I've ever bought since I started living in the UK, and it just refused to finish. So I made up my mind that on this day I was going to buy another one because I can't even see the expiry date on this again. I can't remember the product name, it's just there. So I've had a very good sleep, and when I heard my husband and the kids planning to go have fun, I jumped off the bed, quickly packed my breakfast and and dressed up to join them. It was supposed to be a very long trip, so we first branched at a filling station to top up the fuel and embarked on our journey. Because I wanted to eat, if not, I love driving, I would have volunteered to drive the long distance. I love long distance a lot and I like driving, but because I wanted to eat my food, I decided to be a passenger princess this time around. So we traveled for about 1 hour on a very nice road, and we got to where we were going. It was supposed to be a water splash place, so I had already packed our swimming stuff and everything that we needed. Look at this green. I love green a lot. I came down from the car and I said, okay, I want to take a picture. Even when my husband was saying, we'll take a picture after, I'm like, no, sorry, I need to take a picture. What if we finished and I was already tired? Well, I am the mommy social butterfly. Everyone eventually joined me. So this was the water place. We had already finished here. That's why the place looked empty, because I didn't go in with my phone. It was after we finished that I took this picture. This was after we had a lot of fun. The longest I ever swim, more than 1 hour 45 minutes. That was what we did there. 768 calories. I was like, oh my god, do I still have calories left in my body like this? And then there was a nature place around. We walked around, just had a look. We're already tired, we're already feeling hungry. My son was the one that was still feeling like, oh, we should take picture. We didn't spend too much time at the nature walk area when everyone kept complaining that something was biting them. And then my husband sang a song about Amina during the time of the prophet, that Amina was carrying prophet's pregnancy and nothing was biting her, and I was dancing to the song. Okay, anyway, we're on our way back and we played some card games when we're coming back.
Something blue.
We've passed it already. But there's another blue over there. There's another blue here, the signboard.
This guy, there's lots of blue stuff.
Exactly, see? Blue, welcome to the head thingy. See? Attractions.
Sky.
Is that what you spy?
Yeah.
What a boring game. What a boring spy. And then we got home. I threw all our wet clothes in the dryer and I proceeded to make dinner. Life of a woman, right? Everyone still wants to eat even after all the fun that we had. Can't everyone just go to sleep? Anyway, I entered the kitchen sharp. I had ogbono already, so I quickly made amala. And then I remembered that I totally forgot that I needed to buy some sanitary products and dishwasher tablet. So I had to quickly do the amala sharp, and stepped out to a nearby shop that was closing at 10 o'clock. This was already past 9. I know that I enjoy eating hot food, so I had to quickly eat my food before stepping out to the store. After picking the sanitary products, I remembered I needed some hair products, leave-in conditioner. I can't seem to understand why leave-in conditioner is so scarce, but I finally got two. I got for my kids and I got this Cantu product for myself. So pricey, but I had no choice. And then I got dishwasher tablet and my foundation. I said today, I picked this foundation. I don't even know what color I'm using. I don't know what product I should pick. I'm not an expert in this. So I just picked this one. But it was when I got home that I realized that the mouth is totally different from the one I was using before. And up to now, I still don't understand how I'm going to be applying this on my face. Anyway, that was how I spent this Saturday. Busy with activities, no serious chores. Thanks for watching.